Happy New Year! Although when I record this, it's still not 2018, but by the time when you see it is 18, so let's just pretend that I recorded today. Your today, not my today. Anyways, so the first thing that I like to do when the new year begins, besides getting a new calendar and getting that all organized, is to get all of my Christmas stuff away. I love putting it up and I love Christmas, but when January hits, I'm over it. So like many others of you, we live in a one-bedroom apartment, and besides our bedroom closet, we only have one more closet, and that one is not that big to begin with, and we just need to somehow figure out how to fit everything into there. So besides the tree that I squished under my bed, I have most of my Christmas decor in there now, and I'm gonna show you guys 5 tricks on how to make everything fit. So if you're in the same boat as we are, give this video a thumbs up, lean back, get some coffee, and check it out. So my tip number 1 is to use a shelf extension. In both this apartment and my previous one, I only had one major shelf, and sure, there was plenty of space up to the ceiling and you can stack everything up there, but whenever you need to grab something, it was such a pain. So getting an extra shelf can make all the difference. Number 2 is to organize based on usage, and by that I mean that you should have the things you use the most closest to like the opening. Your closet will stay tidy, and if you're 5'6" like me or shorter, you save time by not having to ask someone taller to grab stuff for you like all the time. Tip number 3, rag basket. Small spaces are all about utilizing every spare inch you can get. The space we have for our vacuum is very narrow, but quite large when it comes to the height. So what we did was that we put up a commander hook to avoid having like a cranky landlord, and we hung a basket for our cleaning rags for an easy access. Tip number 4, if your cleaning closet looks similar to ours and you still have space left after hanging up the rag basket, why not get this plastic thingy from IKEA to store all your plastic bags in? We honestly had an entire drawer devoted just to plastic bags and shopping bags and all that stuff prior to this thing, and just having an extra drawer is gold. Tip number 5, organize laundry hampers. So it's not necessarily for your cleaning closet, but I had to share this with you guys. I've had this laundry hamper for the longest time, as you can see, and it's about time for it to retire. So for my new one, I want to get multiple baskets because it's just a pain to like organize your laundry before doing laundry every time. And when I looked around online to see like the ones there's on Amazon, you can get 3. They're like 40-50 bucks, which I think was kind of hefty for a laundry basket, and they're still too big for our limited space. So I went to IKEA and I found these. They're only 10 bucks, and they're slim and they're perfect for separating your clothes into dark and light colors. So finally, going back to the cleaning closet, this is what it all looks like after it was organized, and I'm also going to throw in a picture of what it looked like before. So now when we got rid of all the plastic bags from the drawer, we decided to use that one for our Christmas decoration. And if you watched my channel before, you know that I love candles, specifically Bath & Body Works candles, so that's what I'm going to store, the ones I still have left from this season. Alright guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you found at least some of these tricks helpful for you guys, and I wish you a great new year. See you soon, bye!